We are at the north spit of Coos Bay. We're hiking up a sand dune, camping for the night, cooking delicious meals outside. I'm gonna try fishing on the shores of the ocean and fighting wind gusts up to 15 miles per hour. We've got one big task, getting all this stuff up that hill of sand dune. Look at that, beautiful. Gotta rush up before the sun sets. This dune is hard for. Okay. Yeah, you made it. Now you don't have to go down again until we leave. I think that's enough. We've been having a lot of projects this year around our home, so there's a lot of waste little pieces of lumber, so I brought them along. We're going to be using these to cook. I'm so glad we are out of the fire restriction enforcement in Oregon. Now we can have campfires. This hill is just pathetic. It's about 75 meters from here down to the vehicle. I gotta go get one last batch of things, the last trip, then we come get the fire going and cook dinner. I don't think I'm ever gonna try this again. We're gonna make steak, shrimp, potatoes and broccoli. Man, we're gonna eat steak. We earned it.
I seasoned it with some olive oil and garlic, salt, and some special steak seasoning. Harvested from our own garden.
Look at that Chick-fil-A sauce and these chips. It's good. That's really good. That's amazing, honey. Thank you for making supper.
You're very welcome.
We're so tired. See you tomorrow morning. Look at that. I'm so glad I chose this spot. It's worth it. We've got the entire view of the Bay of Coos here, the north end of the bay, that is. Look at the vastness of these dunes. That's where we parked our vehicle, if you can see it. Due to seasonal winds and strong currents over hundreds of years, this sand has been deposited over this place and form dunes. That's how these dunes are made. In between the period of March and September, these beaches have restricted access to people because they're home to one of the endangered species of birds called the western snowy plover. They usually nest on these beaches. People are not allowed to in these beaches during those periods. Glad that we're in October right now and we are able to access these beaches. Walking along the shores of the bay, trying to find somewhere to fish. Let's see where this is gonna lead. This is the bay. Walk along the shores of this bay. Then this is the jetty where the big ships are using to enter the bay. Just trying to find a place to fish around here. Where do you think I can find a nice spot to fish?
I don't know how far down the jetty is.
Yeah, the jetty could be good, right?
It's probably a cute
let me go try it that way. It's low tide, so what that means is finding a fishing hole is a little bit difficult, because now the ocean is way back inside and it's surrounded by this marshy, swampy area that I don't want to struggle through. The jetty is closed for maintenance and fishing is not allowed, so I'm heading back. Feels good to be back home away from home. The wind just blew the chair away and it brought some sand on the apples, so we're trying to clean the apples. Yeah, it's definitely working. The worst part about camping in the sand is that the sand is always everywhere. The sand is in your body, in your shoes, in your clothes, in your food. Some nice icing on the apple fritters. We've got apple fritter, then eggs, tangerine, banana, and some grapes. This is our brunch for the last day. Wow, this apple fritter is really good. That's it. The wind is getting absolutely crazy here. It wants to blow our tent off into the bay. Woo! Holy moly! What is happening here? Our tent is completely mushed by this wind above here. This stuff captures a lot of wind. I think this is the biggest problem because it captures most of that wind. This was supposed to protect us from the rain, but the rain never came. When we were driving down here, we had rain at home, we had a lot of rain, But anyway, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Yeah. I'm gonna deconstruct this really quickly and put it on top of the tent too. It's not gonna go anywhere. I guess we got a lesson from this video. Don't camp on the highest point on a sand dune because the winds get crazy. That's it, guys. I think I'm gonna wrap this video at this juncture. See you in the next one. Bye.